Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of small space gardening. Whether you live in an apartment or have a tiny patio, we've got you covered with some amazing tips and tricks. Imagine stepping into your very own green haven, a space filled with the life and vibrancy of nature, right in your home. We'll explore how to choose the right plants, maximize your space, and create a garden that brings you peace and happiness. Let's begin. Our journey begins with the heart of small space gardening containers. Consider the size and shape that best suits your space. Do you envision a cascading vine tumbling from a hanging basket, or a cluster of terracotta pots lining your windowsill, each holding a fragrant herb? Choose materials that resonate with you, whether it's the rustic charm of terracotta, the sleek modernity of metal, or the natural warmth of wood. Don't be afraid to get creative. Repurpose old tea tins, vintage buckets, or even colorful ceramic bowls. Each container has the potential to become a unique and joyful home for your plants. Visualize the lush greenery that will soon fill them. Just as we maximize space in our homes with shelves and clever storage, vertical gardening allows our plants to reach new heights. Vertical gardening isn't just practical, it's an opportunity to add a touch of artistry to your space. Consider a repurposed ladder, its steps transformed into shelves for cascading succulents. Embrace the vertical space and you'll be amazed by how much life you can cultivate, even in a small area. Each climbing vine, each cascading flower will bring you a sense of joy and accomplishment as you witness your vertical garden flourish. Choosing the right plants for your small space is like selecting cherished items that spark joy. For small spaces, compact plants are our best friends. Think of charming herbs like chives and thyme, their delicate leaves releasing fragrant aromas with every brush. Leafy greens like spinach and lettuce are perfectly content in shallow containers, providing you with fresh, homegrown salads. And don't forget about the air-purifying power of compact snake plants, or the cheerful blooms of African violets. Each small plant, with its unique beauty and resilience, becomes a testament to the joy of nurturing life in any space. Choose plants that resonate with you, and watch as they transform your home into a green oasis. Caring for our plants, much like tidying our homes, should be a mindful practice that sparks joy. Just as we take care in folding our clothes, we water our plants with intention, ensuring they receive the right amount of moisture. Observe your plants closely. Feel the soil with your fingers. Water deeply, allowing the excess to drain away, preventing the roots from becoming waterlogged. Sunlight is another essential ingredient for happy plants. Place your sun-loving herbs and succulents where they can bask in the warmth, while shade-tolerant ferns can thrive in a gently lit corner. As you nurture your green companions, you cultivate a sense of peace and tranquility within your home. Just as we thoughtfully arrange items in our homes to spark joy, let's explore creative ways to incorporate greenery into our living spaces. Imagine a cozy reading nook adorned with a trailing ivy, its leaves cascading down like a green curtain. Transform a blank wall into a living work of art with a collection of framed succulents, their geometric shapes and vibrant colors adding a touch of modern elegance. Or, create a miniature Zen garden on a tabletop, its carefully raked sand and strategically placed stones inviting a sense of calm and tranquility. Don't be afraid to experiment with different heights and textures. Hang air plants from decorative hooks, their delicate tendrils swaying gently in the breeze. Infuse it with greenery in a way that sparks joy and transforms your home into a reflection of your unique style. Thank you for joining me on this journey of discovering the joy of small space gardening. Remember, nurturing a garden is an ongoing process, a mindful practice that connects us to nature and brings us joy. So, embrace the journey, experiment with different plants and techniques, and most importantly, have fun creating a green haven that sparks joy in your heart. Happy gardening!